Good job. Get gas all over my bike. Gotta go real slow on the edge. Smile, guys. You're on camera.
Yeah, because, huh?
This bald guy's on camera, too.
Hey.
Yeah. Here we are. We're at Turner's Corner at Blood Mountain where this car is about to take a left. It's always a good idea to go a little slow the first time in case there's a car or a bike wrecked or even a cop hiding in the corner waiting to pull you over and give you a ticket, which does happen a lot up here. So I'm gonna let them go first. I'm gonna catch up with them, film them all a little bit. Get around these cars first. I don't know if I'm gonna catch the front of that first group. Probably not. You know, I'm probably not too far off from Eric, but with this much of a lead, it's going to be hard to catch him unless he gets stuck. So I'm going to ride behind these guys for a second. I had to do that first. Let's take one turn first real quick. I'm actually gonna let them catch back up so I can film them a little bit. Got this guy on the cruiser that they just chilling in their short sleeve shirts. Check them out. Man, I hate it when people wreck like that. I don't even like to see it. Stop the help anyway, but I've seen it before and it is gross, man. Gotta wear those jackets. I don't care how hot it is. You won't catch me something like that. Well, I wouldn't be wearing a woman's tank top anyway, but not on a motorcycle anyway. Alright, here we go. Before it turns into one lane. See what we got behind us. Catch the other guys. I'm just afraid there's gonna be a cop up here. We'll see. Take a little risk, I guess. What's life without a little risk? Nice shirt. Blowing all over the place. Alright, let's get some wide corners going on. Get a little lean going on. Warming the tires up. There's one of them. See who this is. That's Ann on the 250. Tearing it up. Get a little footage. Everybody always asks for the footage, but every time I get footage, it usually sucks. So maybe today I'll get something decent with my new camera mount. I was putting it on top of the helmet, and it just wasn't working too well. This is her first time up here too. She's gonna be a little weary going up the mountain, as she should be. Follow her a few more seconds. Catch up with somebody else. I doubt it. They're probably pretty far ahead. Oh, backed it in a little bit there. Not too much. There's some nice corners on this road. You know, it's 2 lanes, going up 2 lanes. Really, you can't ask for much more. There's a few spots where it's bad to fall off if you do. So you just gotta, you know, ride at your own limit, set a good pace, nothing too crazy, nothing too outrageous. I guess if I need to stick my foot out a little bit. I'm just hanging my knee off the whole way. Alright, when you're making sure your camera's running, don't ever look into the mirror too long. That is a bad idea. I'm gonna close my vent and see if I can knock out a little of the wind noise too. We're gonna chill a second and wait for a couple people, see who shows up. I think Eric's riding behind the other guy, the new guy, to kind of try and give him a few pointers, because he was scraping his foot a little bit, so we showed him where to put his foot on the pegs, and hopefully he'll practice it a little bit and not try to go too fast. You gotta be careful with the new guys. But he's doing really good to be first time up here. So I'm gonna slow down a second and wait for everybody. I don't want to ride by myself. That's no fun. Right, here he is. I hope the guy behind him don't try to keep up with us. Quicker, drag some knee going down. See how they keep up. Doing good so far. I don't want to push too hard because I'm afraid that guy behind Eric will try to keep up with him. If he tries to keep up with me, which is a recipe for disaster. Behind just a little bit. I think we're gonna have to leave the other guy for a minute. He's not trying to keep up. That's good. Hit some rear brake. Wrong gear. Wrong gear. Slipping a little bit on the front. Need some new tires. See, when you don't lean off, you just kind of lose that weight pushing on your front tire. And I mean, I know it's okay for a supermoto to slide a little bit. I'm just not used to it. I'm a newbie on a dirt bike. I'm just not used to that feeling. I can get the rear sliding on a SV650 and my Daytona 675. I was sliding the rear on those, but that was on the racetrack. Let them catch up a second. So I really like riding with a small group. I think a small group is the best for Blood Mountain. I mean, it's fun to bring a big group up here, but when you get too many people, it's just, you either split into a slow group and a fast group, or you wait for everybody, because you don't want to leave people behind and have newer people not knowing where they're going. So sometimes I'll set up a ride way in advance and we'll get 10, 15, 20 people signed up. Sometimes I'll set it up the night before and we'll get, like, you know, a good 4 or 5 hardcore riders that were just waiting to go ride. So either or, I don't mind, just a little mix. When there's less people, I get to do a little more riding on my own, you know. I really can't get my upper body off this thing, man. I'm gonna wait and make sure they're doing good. We'll hang here a second. And Blood Mountain's pretty much one lane going down the whole way, so you can't really do too much passing. So you just gotta get behind, get around the traffic, come down the right time, or wait for 2 lanes. You know, I used to pass in the single lanes, but it just, I don't know. You know, I have a kid now, and I don't like taking that much of a risk anymore. If I'm extremely confident, I can see the other lane, make sure there's nobody coming, make sure there's not another car or biker swerving around the corner, then I'll definitely pass a double yellow. But try not to. Not to mention it's expensive if you do get caught. So we're gonna chill here a second. lift my visor, let my face cool off. Still got the dry mouth. Make sure everybody's okay. Downhill, you know, is a lot different from going uphill as well, especially here with the steep inclines. It takes a little bit more, I wouldn't say skill, but you just gotta, you can't push the front as much, just that the gravity's not working in your favor. You got a lot less traction going downhill. Did they go back up? They had to have, because they were behind me here. I'm pretty sure. Huh. Maybe they're going back up. You know, I just get these feelings when something like this happens. I've seen it too many times, and hate it when it happens. It just ruins the person's day when the bike goes down. I know it's happened to me plenty of times, and it's just not a good situation, especially here. It's not so bad on the track where you got a truck come pick you up and truck to put your bike on and go back home. But when you rode your bike up this far and the bike goes down, it's just good. Oh man. Yep, that's what happened. Damn it, man. That's not good. Where is he? Where's he at?
You know the Russian guy's gonna wreck?
I told him not to try to keep up with anybody 4 times.
Did you know that he's gonna wreck?
I didn't know he was gonna wreck, but I was hoping.
He's gonna wreck.
Where is he? Is he okay?
You wanna see the bike?
Yeah.
You can't see it, it's that far.
Oh man. Kickstand broke. Ugh, fuck.
Alright.
Where is he? Oh. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Where'd your bike? Down here?
Down over there.
Oh man. This is gonna fall.
Like my bike or something? Or they both gonna fall?
Can you just hold it?
No.
Bike holder? Please? Oh man. Yeah, he went off right there. I don't know, I just had a feeling. Yeah, I don't see the bike. Yeah, I don't think there's any way we're gonna be able to get that up, but good thing you didn't go down with it.
I think it was tumbling down all the way here, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's anywhere we can get to.
Here, and do you see it?
Here?
Yeah, if you go somewhere.
Oh man.
You see it?
It is way in the bottom of the ravine. Man.
Yeah, we were riding and Eric was like saying like this, and so I think this guy and Eric, and I didn't see you for it.
Yeah, it's all the way at the bottom of the ravine. It's nothing we can get out. I was thinking I was gonna look and see if we could push it up, but it's not.
No, you can't.
Not happening.
Put it in a wrap.
Alright, let's
send it down the
figure
creek.
something out. He's probably gonna have to call a tow truck or something because I don't have anything on my truck to pull that out. I don't have any chain or rope or anything. Yeah, it's all the way at the bottom of the ravine.
But I mean, how are you even gonna get there to hook it up to something to pull it out?
They do it all the time, so. But he'll have to call somebody. There's nothing we can really do.
You know, I mean, I tried to kind of give him some warning up there. Almost every turn, he was scraping his shoe.
I saw, yeah.